In the early 1980s, in a quiet corner of Himachal Pradesh, with little industry, young engineer Anil Sehgal worked beside his only asset, a single lathe. By day, he ran the machine. By night, he handled accounts, dispatch and cleaning. What he lacked in resources, he made up for with the belief that passion could build what money could not.
I graduated in 1980 as a mechanical engineer. 1982 actually, the Eicher tractors used to assemble tractors in Parwanu. Eicher tractors advertised the need of putting up their own ancillaries there. I applied for that and I was allotted an ancillary to make small components for them to be used in tractor. That is where I came into this profession.
From that beginning in Parvanu, Anil Sehgal steadily carved out a place in India's emerging manufacturing ecosystem.
We got the allotment done from the government of Himachal Pradesh. So after seeing that plot, I could not even imagine an industry could be set up here because even the roads were not there properly.
Today, more than 2,200 families trace their livelihood to the enterprise he built from scratch, one of India's most respected precision machining and automotive component manufacturers.
So what gives him the maximum satisfaction is not that this much value of business has been created, is innovation.
We are a very financially prudent company. We take pride in our ethics. We take pride in our machining capabilities. Our hardcore work is machining.
The flagship unit remains in Parvanu, supported by a major plant in Barotiwala and a Rohtak facility that also houses the aerospace and energy division, Crystal Precision. The company is now gearing up for its next leap, expanding into defense manufacturing and future mobility.